Hi, this video is to walk you through the process of completing the application for the program in Standard for Success. You are eligible to apply if you are a sophomore or higher, and you can have the Standard for Success subscription in force to do the application. So I'm showing you just our pretend student here, decision point 1, and underneath the decision point 1 checklist, things you need to be doing as a decision point 1 student. If you haven't started the application, it will say start EPP application, but if you've been in it before, it'll start view EPP application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that will take you to the application itself. So up at the top here is the data pulled from your Standard for Success account, and you would just go through and complete each box. There's your EDU 221 grade is not required if you are in EDU 221 now or will be taking it in winter term. But otherwise, it's a Dropbox. They should be adding, I have not completed EDU 221 soon. So your GPA goes there, and what you need to do about the transcript is you would go to My Hanover and download your unofficial transcript, save that to your computer, and then make it like an attachment. You would choose file here, and then once the file has been chosen, you would upload that as an attachment. Your qualifying score exams are, that's part I do myself, but you do not have to do anything. That does give you the information, so you know if you have those scores. If you are planning on doing the special ed mild interventions program, you can click yes. If you are not, click no. And if you choose yes, you will click on this form that's like a declarations form for the program. Here's that form. You will want to download and print that, and you will want to download and print that, complete it, and have it signed, and then scanned to your email from a KM Minolta printer. If you don't know how to do that, please stop by Newbie Hall, and I'm glad to assist you with that. But then you will upload that form into your application. So I'm going to close that out. Okay, so that would be the same thing. It's an upload like an email attachment. So here you would choose your majors and other information like that. If you are elementary education, you would choose that. And if you have uploaded the mild interventions declaration, you're good. If you're not doing mild interventions, you are required to do a minor, so you would select your minor from this list. For secondary, it's the same. You would choose secondary education if you're doing the secondary major, and then your content area. The philosophy of education essay is one you would have in your computer when you're all completed. Here's the directions for that. And again, it's an upload like an attachment. So you choose the file and then click upload attachment. For the faculty recommendations, you simply have to say which faculty member you have asked. Again, you should ask them if you may use them on this form. From that point, I do the contact, send them form to complete your recommendation. It cannot be any of the education professors. It tells some information that we are required to communicate to you, and that we will be checking your SAC record as well as your student life record. Goes through the decision points of what those will be coming up. And actually on your version, it would have your valuatee sign off. If you're updating it, you click the green button. And this will show in progress here until I have hit the approval that it is complete and ready to go to TEC. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. And I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.